Attention! Eyes, right! Stand, shoot! Stand, it is! Cut, is!
Med 23. junijem in današnjim dnem je poveljstvo večnacionalnih kopenskih sil in taktične enote s pripadniki oboroženih sil iz držav, ki tvorijo večnacionalne kopenske sile, urilo, izvedlo in predstavilo zmogljivosti in usposobljenost za delovanje v operacijah kriznega odzivanja. V vaji Clever Parrot ali Zvita podlasica 2014 so sodelovale enote oboroženih sil Italije, Mađarske in Slovenije ter vadbenci iz Avstrije, ki ima status države opazovalke. Between 23rd of June and today, the headquarters of the Multinational Land Force and Tactical Units, composed of members of the armed forces from nations forming the Multinational Land Force, conducted the exercise and presented their capabilities and skills required for participation in crisis response operations. The exercise Clever Parrot 2014 involved participation of Italian, Hungarian and Slovenian armed forces units and the training audience from Austria as the country holding the observer status. Pred mikrofon vabim in besedo predajam vodji vaje brigadirju Davidu Humaru. Brigadir, prosim. I would like to invite the exercise director, Brigadier General Humar, to take the floor. Brigadier General, please.
Dear colleagues, wonderful MLF community, I'm very grateful that you worked hard and with enough enthusiasm to bring this exercise almost to the end. We should not forget that after majority of us will leave, logisticians will stay here to clear the ground after us and to put all in the order. Therefore, on the beginning, I would like to thank all of those from the real support which deployed us to area of exercise, which allowed us to execute this exercise, and also which will leave the area the last, probably there on Thursday and Friday next week. I hope that there will be enough brave, but also that they will have enough energy to do the job up to the end. Main job, the exercise of the MLF HQ and the training of the Hungarian, Italian and Slovenian contingents on the field is finished. You did a good job. I'm sure that all of us, that we are better trained now, that we are better prepared for serve our nations and to fulfill our common goals. But I'm really even more sure that we know each other better, that we are more comrade than we were before, and that we can go ahead with even greatest and bigger hope that we will fulfill our future tasks. I hope that each of us tried to obtain as much as possible from this opportunity, because the MLF initiative gives us opportunity to training, to be more interoperable and to make a lot of the friendships. Thank you for all of those who fulfilled this, and I hope that at least one part of us will live with this in the future and will transfer this to our successors and other generations. On the end, we should remember that 2 of our comrades were unfortunately injured during this exercise. Both of them are still in hospital. Austrian comrade is already in way to Austrian hospital. Slovenian will stay here in Maribor. I hope that both of them will recover quick and good, and I'm sure that they can join us in future again. Thank you very much and have a nice trip back home.
Thank you, Brigadier General. Pred mikrofon vabim predstavnika mađarske vojske, podpolkovnika Laszlo Drota. I would like to invite the representative of the Hungarian Armed Forces, Lieutenant Colonel Laszlo Drot, to say a few words.
General Humar, General Gamba, General Pograjc, dear Slovenian, Italian, Hungarian soldiers. It's my pleasure to have the opportunity to speak to you on behalf of the closing ceremony of the multinational military exercise Kleber 2014. First, I would like to say thank you for the Slovenian Italian Defense Forces for their support, which is contributing in a big portion to our success. Secondly, I just have to congratulate all of you who took part in this exercise, and I have to declare that until now it has been really a very good job done. At the beginning of this exercise was a really milestone in our military cooperation, where 3 nations soldiers work together on the field using the same language, same procedures, and approaching to the same aims. It's a great importance to a cooperation with the military of the neighboring countries, since together we can increase our effectiveness in many joint areas of interest. It was the result of will and readiness of armed forces to cooperate in the provision of mutual trust, peace and security. The Kleber Feret 2014 exercise was not only an exercise but also a contribution to the international stability, where the participants get to know each other and learn from each other, thus increasing mutual understanding and respect. At this moment, we should not calm down. We have to work very hard in order to reach our mutual aim, a better and better cooperation in the future. I agree with our Hungarian soldiers because we trained a lot and we accomplished our progress. It has truly been an honor to serve with Italian, Slovenian, Hungarian, Austrian soldiers together, and I wish you all the best for the future, and thank you very much for your attention.
Hvala, podpolkovnik. Thank you, Lieutenant Colonel. Pred mikrofon vabim in besedo predajam poveljniku večnacionalnih kopenskih sil, brigadnemu generalu Ignaciju Gambi. Brigadni general, prosim. I would like to invite Commander of the Multinational Land Force, Brigadier General Ignacio Gamba, to take the floor. Brigadier General, please.
Thank you.
General Humor, General Pograjc, Colonel Drot, civil and military authorities, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attendance at this closing ceremony today. Closing ceremony of Kleber Feret 2014 exercise. We ran successfully this exercise. It's another step along the road where we know the consolidation, real and effective consolidation of the Common Defense Initiative of our countries, Hungary, Slovenia and Italy, to face any of the future rising threats. As said during the preparation and also as I repeated a lot of times during the exercise itself. Clever Ferret 2014 was quite innovative and experimental because, it was decided to test the ability of a leader staff to face tactical problems with possible impacts on a strategic environment, where, local security forces and local administrative authorities were close to get its own path as a free and democratic country. I simply mean that the real issue was how to deal with a post-combat situation during the final part of the transition period when, anyway, our advisee, I'm talking about the locals, still have to counter episodic incidents and events that could affect a better future. Additionally, the success of this exercise has been developed through cross-training activities, both for the exercise itself and also independently, in order to implement two important areas that are also, for me, keywords for the future of MLF itself. First of all, the interoperability among different units from different countries, meaning that the cooperation among MLF nations is the continuous way ahead for the MLF itself. Second area that is the step on, is the step ahead, is the integration. That is the final target for MLF, and it is also a common goal in a multinational context. As this exercise was carried out, reaching its final objectives positively, let me thank someone of you. First of all, without any doubts, the MLF permanent planning staff, Colonel Valle, Colonel Franco, Colonel Zeti, Colonel Igor. It's better for me because I'm not able to pronounce this Slovenian surname. But anyway, I'm talking about this small group because they were really the real and effective engine of the MLF, both for the exercise and for also, we know, in the future and also in the past, for operational engagement. In particular, keep in mind that anyway this exercise is a sort of bridge to the next step in an operational environment that could be done, in 2015. Let me thank also our Slovenian colleagues, in particular the 72nd Brigade, for their huge capability as a host nation and for their strong support for the DVD Day and the firing activities in Poček. Let me also thank our Hungarian colleagues for their support in MLF HQ and across the exercise. And about the Hungarian contingent, let me recall that actually the Hungarian contingent won the first edition of this Challenge Cup, and I know that also they had a huge performance in cross-training also with the other countries. Let me also thank, even if they are not today present for different reasons, our Austrian partners embedded, we know, in the MLF HQ, and those guys that had the opportunity for sure to exchange experience with us, with MLF staff officer, already deployed with a good experience, huge experience in operations. And just to join with what General Kuma said, let me also thank all our logistician guys that they worked before and after this specifically focused training period, meaning that deployment and redeployment are not just two phases you put on a calendar, but are two main issues, because if you need to have materials, you need to deploy perfectly in time and with what you need, and also to redeploy all this stuff in order to be ready for the next engagement. Our operational capability, we know, was also tested by a three-national evaluation team. The positive, very positive result is what we expect, but there's also a but. As I said to all of you a lot of times, we, in every staff position, we need to highlight some lessons identified to improve our ability in the future to work as a full, integrated and effective headquarters. To conclude, if you remember well, in the open ceremony, I said that to all of you, MLF soldiers, you are the guardians of freedom and peace. Please, during Clever Ferret 2014, enjoy your training, enjoy colonelship, enjoy multinationality. Now, I am strongly convinced that this is a real and effective headquarters that for sure will succeed in incoming operational mission. Again, let me thank very strongly also our Slovenian colleagues. I will try again with the Slovenian language, but it is really difficult for me. Slovenci, prijatelji, topla vala sa vašo gostol ljubnost. This time may be a good English.
Hvala, brigadni general. Thank you, Brigadier General. Poveljnik večnacionalnih kopenskih sil, brigadni general Ignacio Gamba, bo poveljnikom kontingentov podelil priznanja za dobro opravljeno delo. Prosimo polkovnika Karla Kavalja, podpolkovnika Boštjana Baša in majorja Josefa Gala, da stopijo pred postroj. Brigadier General Ignacio Gamba, commander of the multinational land force, will present certificate of appreciation to the commanders of regiments. We would like to ask Colonel Carlo Cavalli, Major Joseph Gall, and Lieutenant Colonel Boštjan Baš to step in front of the formation.
Hungary, alphabetical order, why not? Thank you very much. Even if it is not alphabetical order, just because it is a matter of polite, we are host of Slovenia, so thank you very much. And I hope that it will serve with the Colonel Cavalli in future in Kosovo, because we know that you'll be together in Kosovo. Thank you very much. Okay. Colonel Cavalli, does he deserve it? Are you sure? Maybe you should have a lot of this in your office, I don't know. Maybe
without the label.
Ah, without the label. My God. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
No, good. Thank you.
Thanks.
Perfect. Thanks. That's it. Thank you.
Pripadniki enot, sodelujočih na vaji, so pokazali vse svoje znanje in usposobljenost. Najboljšemu pripadniku vsakega kontingenta bomo podelili priznanje. Members of units participating in the exercise have demonstrated all their knowledge and skills. The best member of individual contingents will be presented with recognition award. The winner of the recognition award of the Hungarian Armed Forces is OR6 Erika Nemedi. OR6 Erika Nemedi is a member of the Hungarian medical team. During the exercise Clever Ferret 2014, she provided the real medical emergency care for the Slovenian Armed Forces soldier and one civilian person.
I don't know for a medic if a pen can be, but this is a pen and also of appreciation. Thank you.
Priznanja jim bo podelil poveljnik večnacionalnih kopenskih sil, brigadni general Ignacio Gamba. Recognition award will be presented by Commander of the Multinational Land Force, Brigadier General Ignacio Gamba. The winner of the recognition award of the Italian Armed Forces is OR4 Mario Mascia. OR4 Mario Mascia has distinguished himself through his motivation and dedication to his work. In particular, as coordinator, as marksman, squad leader of the Mountain Infantry Regiment, he conducted the planned activities for his specialty with his expertise and competence, demonstrating his tactical and organizational qualities. In the periods free from planned activities, he put himself at the company command's disposal, revealing himself to be a fundamental resource for the command squad being able to help out in various functional areas. The winner of the Recognition Award of the Slovenian Armed Forces is Corporal Bojan Perko. Corporal Bojan Perko is a squad leader as a member of the 74th Infantry Regiment. His psych and physical abilities are on a very high level. He is extremely professional on a daily duty job, and Corporal Perko is always motivated for work and willingly to help the soldiers as well.
How many times deployed in operations? What I need to tell us.
Yeah.
Less pen and a small gun. Thank you very much. Okay.
Čestitke vsem nagrajenim. Congratulations to all the winners. Brigada Slovenske vojske je v času vaje organizirala tekmovanje za izbor najboljšega oddelka. During the exercise, the 72nd Brigade of the Slovenian Armed Forces organized the Challenge Cup. Tretje mesto je dosegla prva skupina italijanske vojske iz regimenta Alpino. Drugo mesto je dosegel oddelek druge pehotne čete 74. pehotnega polka Slovenske vojske. Zmagovalci pa so pripadniki madžarske vojske iz 5. pehotne brigade Boškaj Ištvan. The third prize goes to the first team of the Italian Armed Forces Alpini Regiment. The second prize goes to the squad of the 2nd Company of the 74th Infantry Regiment of the Slovenian Armed Forces. And the winners are the members of the Hungarian Armed Forces 5th Infantry Brigade Bočkaj Ištvan. Pripadniki, stopite pred postroj. Members, step in front of the formation. Prosim poveljnika brigade, polkovnika Franca Koračina in brigadnega podčastnika in višjega štabnega vodnika Danijela Kovača, da podelita priznanje. I would like to ask Brigade Commander Colonel Franz Koracin and Master Sergeant Daniel Kovač to award the prizes.
Bravi.
Čestitke vsem nagrajenim. Congratulations to all the winners. Posebej bi želeli izpostaviti pripadnico madžarskega medic tima OR6 Eriko Nemedi. Ob nesreči pripadnika med vajo je požrtvovalno priskočila na pomoč, pokazala vso svoje znanje ter odlično oskrbela poškodovanca. V imenu poškodovanega pripadnika se ji bo zahvalil polkovnik Franz Koračin. We would in particular like to mention OR6 Erika Nemedi, member of the Hungarian medic team. During the accident that happened in the course of the exercise, she generously offered her help, and by utilizing all her skills and knowledge, she provided effective care for the injured. On behalf of the injured exercise participant, Colonel Franz Koracin would like to thank the Hungarian medic team member Nemedi and would kindly ask her to step in front of the formation.
already here.
Današnjo slovesnost in vajo bomo zaključili s spustom zastav držav udeleženih. Ladies and gentlemen, today's ceremony and the exercise will conclude with the lowering of flags of participating nations.
Attention! Set! March!
Siamo pronti alla morte, l'Italia chiamò. Stringiamoci a corte, siamo pronti alla morte, siamo pronti alla morte, l'Italia chiamò. Sì!
S tem je današnja slovesnost zaključena. Vse nagrajence prosim, da pridejo naprej, da naredite eno skupinsko sliko. All the award winners, I would like to ask to step forward to together picture. We will take together picture.
Anche cavalli vogliamo, eh?
Nice.
Okay.